Hi guys, welcome back. We are in Horizon 1, Book 1, and this is Lesson 31, and it's page 69. You can see here down at the bottom. This is a good time to point out right down here at the bottom where it says 69. It's written in numbers, but it's also written in words, and it's really great practice to practice reading those words because you can see the number and you can read the number, and then you can see those words and you can read it in words so that later when it switches where some of the words are actually written, the numbers are actually written as words like this chart, you'll be used to seeing them and it won't be hard to read them. So that's just one thing to really practice reading those words down at the bottom. Okay, so we are jumping in number 1 right here. We're learning about inches. So this is learning to measure things. So you might have used a ruler. You might have used a tape measure. Maybe mom or dad has one of the ones that rolls itself up, and dad might have used it to measure long pieces of wood for a building project. Maybe mom sews and has used a tape measure to measure some of her fabric. You might have seen a ruler. Some of your kits that you got mailed from me, there was a ruler in them. So that's what we're using. We're learning to measure something. So in the past, sometimes we've measured using different things, like maybe we say, how many steps does it take to get to the door, right? That's a way to measure. This one, when you're looking at this, is a piece of a ruler that has 6 inches on it, okay? And so if it's right here, this is where you start at 0. You want to make sure you line up whatever you're measuring right at the 0. Some rulers, like here's a sample of a ruler. So see how this ruler goes off the edge? Do you see that down there? It goes off the edge. So if I was measuring something, like let's pretend I wanted to measure this block right here. Okay, let's see. I want to see how long that block is. Well, if I put it down all the way at the end, I'm not going to get the right measurement. I got to line it right up with that 0 right there. Okay? See how that lines up with the 0? Then I can measure how long it is. Okay? This one is 4 inches. Okay, so they're measuring this leaf. They lined it up at the 0, and then they go down to the tip, and they follow it down, and it was 2 inches. Okay? Now we're going to look at this toothbrush. So they lined it up with the 0. They go all the way down to the tip, follow it up, and it's a 5. So that's 5 inches. 5 inches. Okay, so let's look at this pencil. We lined it up with the 0, follow it down to its tip, follow the line up, and you see the 3? So it's 3 inches. Okay. Oh, my 3 went away. Hold on. Okay. You go ahead and do the spoon. See where it's lined up. Go to follow it to the tip, and then write your answer right here. Okay. Now down here at number 2, it says write the number that comes before. So for this, you might want to grab your hundreds chart. Let me get my ruler out of here. All right. You might want to grab your hundreds chart, so you can find the number, like the number 34. The number 34 is right here. You can go 1 before, so you're at 33. And then you're going to go ahead and write 33 on the line. These 3s don't want to stay today. Here. All right, there we go. Okay, this one is a 57. So we got to find our row of 50. Here's our row of 50. Go to 57. 1 backwards is 56. So we're just going down by 1 in the ones column. Do you see that? See how this 4 went down to a 3 and this 7 went down to a 6? Okay, so go ahead and finish filling these in. Use your hundreds chart if you need to, and then meet me on the next page. Push pause, finish, and meet me on the next page. All right, so we are on page 70 now, and see how there's the word 70 at the bottom. So like I said, practice reading that 70. All right, up here at the top, number 3, this is all things we've done before. So you're going to be like, oh, this is easy. I got this. So you're going to start by adding the number sentence. So 1 plus 5. One more is just 6, right? So we're going to say, is 6 the same as 7? No. So we're going to write an equal sign, cross it off. They are not the same, right? And now we're going to go to the next number sentence, which is 2 plus 6. So we're at 6. Count 2 more. 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 here. And is 8 the same as 8? Yeah, it is, isn't it? So we're going to go ahead and write our equal sign. We're going to go over here to this one, read our number sentence. 3 plus 5, right? 5 is bigger, so we catch 5, add 3 more. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 goes here. And is 8 the same as 7? No, those aren't the same number, are they? So we're going to write our equal sign, and then we're going to cross it off. So go ahead and do that with the rest of these right here. And then come back when you're ready for number 4. So push pause and come back when you're ready for number 4. All right, if you're back with us, you're at number 4. And these are just addition problems. They give you a number line to work with. If you'd rather use your hundreds chart, you're welcome to do that too. But we've done a lot of addition. You can do these, right? You start at 8, you add 2 more, so you go to the 8, jump 2, you're at 10, you write the 10, right? You got this. Okay. All right. I will see you guys next time. Finish this page before you shut your book, okay? Bye-bye.